Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. It is day 5 of Nonstop November. 2 more days and it'll be a week. I'm so excited. But today I'm doing a pretty simple nail set. It's just going to be a fire marble inspired set. And yeah, so starting off, I'm just using this nude from my gel nail paint pot. I think that's what it's called, but it's just like a paint pot of gel nail paint instead of polish. It's more so for nail art, but I use it as polish. So yeah, I'm just doing half French tips on 3 of the fingers, and then the pointer finger is going to be a full nude finger, and that pinky I'm going to be skipping over that and not doing anything until we get to the marbling portion. Okay, now those are out the dryer, we're gonna get to the marbling portion. Y'all should know how this go. This is not our first rodeo with marble on this channel. We've done this quite a few times now, but yeah, I'm just taking my dotting tool and I'm putting the colors on there and just we're pretty much swirling them around until I get the desired look that I'm looking for without making it look like slop. Alright y'all, those nails are now filed and there's a top coat on them. Now we're just going to bling them out. The bling is also going to be super duper simple. We're just going straight across and putting some stones, and I'm going to do that on every finger that has French. However, on the pointer finger, I'm going to be doing a cute little design where there's 3 diamonds and some other stones just filling it in, and the pinky that will remain plain marble. Alright, y'all, now the nails are complete. They look so cute. And so I'm going to show you guys how I put them on. Again, a disclaimer, like I said in the previous few videos, I do not glue these nails on anymore because it's so damaging to my nail beds to be putting them on, taking them off, putting them on, taking them off like multiple times a day because I feel them like in bulk. So yeah, I just use nail tabs now just to put them on and show you guys how they look. And yeah, but when I do wear and tear videos and like showing you the strength of my glue, those are glued on. Those are not nail tabs. Alright, so here we are at my favorite part, the nail montage. I'm just showing you guys how they look on. I really like this blend. I wasn't sure when I was mixing it. I was like, what if I don't have enough red or orange? Because I used 2 shades of orange, 2 shades of yellow, 1 shade of red, and I was just worried how it would look. But they look good, and I really love the pointer finger, probably the most out of all of them. And I did end up changing the ring finger and adding a diamond instead of just going plain straight across, just to add a little pizzazz shebang to the nail. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all tomorrow for day 6. Bye.